Hey guys, welcome to RPAFeed. In this video, we'll be talking about whether RPA developers should learn Python or not. Rather, we'll talking about why RPA developers should learn Python. Okay. First of all, Python is a popular programming language you must be knowing. If you do not know, then you will come to know after watching this video. So it's one of the preferable language used for automation. Once you are working in automation domain, maybe you are using a tool like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Blue Prism, Power Automate, or n number of tools which are available in the market. So along with that, if you want to add a programming component to your solution, if you want to do some achieve some task using a programming, then Python is the first choice. Why? That we'll be seeing in this video. There are several reasons why Python is a good choice for RPA development. So that's where I have put this slide. Why Python? Why only Python? There are other languages like .NET, not .NET ecosystem. .NET is not a language. Like you can go for VB, C Sharp, VBA, VBA automation commands, right? But why only Python? Because Python is easy to learn. Python is known for its simplicity, which makes it an ideal choice for developers who are new to programming and who are looking to get up to the speed quickly. So that matters a lot. So it's easy to learn. Then Python has a large and active community support. So which means that there is a wealth of resources and support available for people who are learning Python or working with it within their project. So there's a large support already available. Then it's versatile. Python is versatile, which means it can be used for wide range of tasks including web development, data analysis and machine learning. So your next, like in RPA, everybody is predicting like RPA will move towards using AI and ML. So that's if you learn Python, that's your good preparation towards that path. So you are not your skills will not get obsolete. You are preparing yourself for the future. So when it comes to AI ML, Python is the most widely used language. So this makes it as a good choice for RPA, right? Then good support for RPA. Python has good support for RPA. Many RPA tools such as UiPath, Automation Anywhere provide support for Python and offer API libraries that allow developer to use Python to build custom automation script. So there's a win-win situation here for automation developers. So overall, we conclude that Python is a good choice for RPA developer because it's easy to learn. It has large and active community support, it's versatile, and it has good support for RPA tools. That's all for this video. In our next video, we'll be learning like if you are a RPA developer and want to learn Python, what are the steps you can follow, how you can get started with it. I'll be covering that. If you need that kind of a video, roadmap, and a step-by-step guide, you can comment below down this video. Uh, like if you want it or want that video or not, so you can comment your thoughts below this video. So till now, happy learning, and please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.